Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and the subject today we are studying is Cambridge O Levels, Mathematics Syllabus D, and we also call this subject DMAS 4024. Today we have set our hearts to solve a paper 1 of this subject, and for this purpose we have selected October-November 2018 1-2 paper. This paper 1 belongs from the zone 2, or you can say the variant 2. In this video I am going to present you the solution of this paper. The time allowed for this paper is 2 hours, and the calculator is not allowed in this paper. So let's start today's paper. Here on your screen you can see the paper, October-November 2018 1-2 paper, Mathematics Syllabus D, Cambridge O Levels Mathematics. Okay, question number 1. Here we have two fractions. It's a part, two fractions, 1 by 8 plus 2 by 5. We have to add them. So what we will do, we will take their the LCM, and the LCM will be we will make their denominator same. So for that purpose, the first fraction will be multiplied with the 5, and the second fraction will be multiplied and divided by 8. So you will have 5 by 40 plus 16 by 40. So it will become 5 plus 16 divided by 40, and that will become 21 by 40. So my answer is 21 by 40. 21 by 40 is the answer, sir. Okay, then we have, the next question we have is question number 1, B part, 0.04 multiply 0.11. Here we have two decimal fractions. They are multiplying with each other. So what I will do, I will remove their decimal. So you will have 4 by 100 multiply 11 by 100. It will become 44 by 10,000. So I will adjust the decimal. And when I will adjust the decimal, and it will become 0.0044, 0.0044, and this is the answer. Let's check. 0.044 is the right answer, sir. Okay, now we are going to the question number 2. It says 200 grams of spice cost 85 cents. Find the cost in dollars of 1 kilogram of this spice. Okay, we will use the method of proportionality. So spice and the cost, 200 grams, cost is 85 cents. 1 kilogram, I will write it as 1000 gram. What will be the price? So use the method of proportionality to get this answer. So here we have, and 200 grams cost 85 cents. 1000 gram cost how much? So cross multiply, and you will have 200x is equals to 85,000, and the x will be equals to 85,000 divided by 200. So 0 zeros and 0 0 cancelled. So 850 divided by 2, and that will be 425 cents. So 425 divided by 100, that will be $4.25. So the cost of 1 kg spice will be $4.25, which is the right answer, sir. This is the solution. Question number 2, it's B part. Here we have proportions. Two ratios are equal to each other. So I will write 60 by x is equals to 3 by 2. Then I will cross multiply, and I will be able to find out the answer. So you will have 3x equals to 120. X will be equals to 120 divided by 3, and that will be equals to 40. So x is equals to 40. My answer is right, and this is the solution of that question. Now we are going to the next question. The next question coming up on your screen is a 2-mark question. Question number 3. Y is inversely proportional to x, given that y is 30 when x is equals to 1 by 3. Find y when the x is equals to 5. Okay. So here we have the solution. Okay. So y is proportional to 1 by x. Y is equals to k by x. Y is 30. X is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 will go to the other side. It will multiply with the 30. So you will have k equals to 10. So y is equals to k by x. So y is equals to 10 by x. Now the x is 5. What is the y? So y will be equals to 10 by 5 and y will be 2. So the value of the y will be 2. The value of the y is 2. This is the solution. Okay. Now we are going to the next question. That is question number 4. He says arrange these fractions in order starting with the smallest. So you see 4 by 5, 9 by 10, 17 by 20, 21 by 25, 41 by 50. So I will make the denominator same in all of them. So I will try to convert all of them into 100. That is, I will make the denominator 100. So for that purpose, the first fraction will be multiplied with the 20. Second fraction will be multiplied and divided with the 10. Third fraction will be multiplied and divided with the 5. The fourth fraction will be multiplied and divided with the 4. And the last fraction will be multiplied and divided with the 2. Then the denominators will become same. When the denominators will become same, then easily we can, very easily we can find out we can compare them and we can decide which one is the smallest. Okay, so it will become 80 by 100. This will become 90 by 100. This will become 85 by 100. This will become 84 by 100. This will become 82 by 100. So this will be the A, this will be the B, this will be the C, this will be the D, this will be the E. So this will come first, and when you write your answer, you will write the original fraction. So it will be 4 by 5, 41 by 50, 21 by 25, 17 by 20, 9 by 10. So 4 by 5, 41 by 50, 21 by 25, 17 by 20, and 9 by 10. So our answer is right. This is the solution of question number 4. Now, question number 5, A part, he says simplify. So here you only have to simplify. You open the bracket and add the C with the C and then the pure number with the pure number. Okay, so here we go. On your screen, the solution is showing up. So you will have 4C minus 6C plus 15. So minus 2C plus 15, or you can say 15 minus 2C. 15 minus 2C is the answer. That is right. This is the solution. Okay, so we are going to the question number 5. It's B part, 2 marks. Factorize. Here we have 4 terms and we have to factorize it. So we can rearrange it a little bit if it is needed, or I think, no, we will not need rearrangement in this. Okay, so on your screen, the solution of the question number 5B part is showing up. So what I will do from the first 2 terms, I will take 2 common. So in the bracket, I will have 4 minus 5y. And from the last 2 terms, I will take plus 3x common. So in the bracket, I will have 4 minus, 4 minus, this bracket is now common. This bracket is common. I will take this bracket common. So from here, you will have 2, from here plus 3x in the other bracket. So this is my answer. So let's check 2 plus 3x into 4 minus 5y. So this is the solution of question number 5. It's B part. So here we have question number 6. Here a function is given. F of x is equals to 2x plus 5 divided by 3x. The first question is find f of minus 2. So in this formula of the function, wherever is the x, you will substitute minus 2 in that. So f of minus 2 will be 2 bracket minus 2 bracket close plus 5 and divided by 3 into minus 2. So you will have minus 4 plus 5 divided by minus 6. So it will be 1 by minus 6. That is minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6 is the right answer, sir. This is the solution of the A part. Now we are going to the next question. That is question number 6. It's B part. He says find f inverse of x. So if you want to find it the inverse of this function, so this is here we have a standard sentence which we always write. And let f of x is equals to y, which means x is equals to f inverse of y. So here in the place of f of x, I will put that formula, and that formula is 2x plus y divided by 3x. So then I will cross multiply. So you will have 3xy equals to 2x plus 5. 3xy minus 2x is equals to 5. I will take the x common. So you will have x bracket 3y minus 2 bracket close equals to 5. So the x will be equals to 5 divided by 3y minus 2. So in the place of x, I will put this value. which is F inverse here. Here you see I have put that value. Okay. So F inverse of y equals to 5 divided by 3y minus 2. Then I will change the variable. If y will be changed into x, so you will have F inverse of x is equals to 5 divided by 3x minus 2. So I hope you understand 5 divided by 3x minus 2, and this is the solution. Our answer is right. Question number 7, and it's a 2 marks question. He says, in a group of 35 people, 22 are wearing spectacles, 10 are wearing a hat, 6 are wearing spectacles and a hat. By drawing a Venn diagram or otherwise find the number of people who are wearing neither spectacles nor a hat. Okay, so I will draw here I will draw here a Venn diagram, and you can see this rectangle. Here spectacles, here you have the hat, and here we have drawn 2 circles because 6 people are wearing both the things. So I have written 6 here. So because there were how many people? 22 people were wearing spectacles. So I will show you the 6 people are already here. So this will become 16. So you see 16 plus 6, that is 22. And there are 10 people who are wearing a hat. So 6 plus 4, that will be the 10. And the people who are wearing none of these things, they are X. So when you will add them, that will be equals to, and that will be equals to 35 because the total people are 35. So you will have X plus 16 plus 4 plus 6 equals to 35. So X plus 26 is equals to 35. So X will be equals to 35 minus 26, and that will be equals to that will be equals to 9. So my answer is 9. I hope you understand this question. And let's check. And my answer is, the answer is 9. Okay, so here we have question number 8, A part. The diagram shows part of a figure that has a rotational symmetry, and the order of the rotational symmetry is how much? And that is the order of the rotational symmetry is 4. Complete the diagram. So complete here 4 blades, or okay, so one is this, one will be here, one will be here, and one will be here, because the order of rotational symmetry is 4. So let me show you my diagram. I have drawn this diagram, so hopefully you can see this. Make a little better diagram than this one. Okay, so you see I have made, this will come in this direction, then it will come in this direction, then it will come in this direction. So now I have made here a fan who has 4 blades. So this figure has a order of rotational symmetry 4. This is the answer. I hope you understand. Our answer is right. Then they say in the diagrams 6 small squares are shaded. Shade one more square to give a diagram that has exactly 1 line of symmetry. That this okay, this will come over here, and this half portion. Okay, so I will shade this one. So if I shade this one, you see, and this will be the line of symmetry. So along the line of symmetry, there are 2 things important for the line of symmetry. You see in the line of symmetry, this is shaded, this is shaded, because the diagram is not very clear. So, and this is the line of symmetry. This cannot be the line of symmetry. This is the only one line of symmetry. Line of symmetry will divide this figure into 2 equal parts, and when you will fold the figure along the line of symmetry, the color will come over on the color, and the white portion will come over the white portion. So I hope you understand this is the line of the symmetry. You don't have to draw the line of symmetry, but for your understanding, I'm saying. Question number 9. P is equals to 8x power minus 6 and Q is equals to 2x power 11. So in the A part, he says P multiply Q. P multiply Q means you will have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, so 8x power minus 6 multiply 2x power 11. So it will become 8 will multiply 2. This will multiply with this. So 16 into 10 raised to power, the powers will be added. So it will become 10 raised to power and 5. This will become 16 into 10 raised to power 5. I will move the decimal one step to the left. So the power will be added here. So you will have 1.6 x power 6 and 1.6 x power 6 is my answer. 1.6 x power 6 is the right answer, sir. This is the solution. Okay, question number 9, it's B part. It's a 1 mark question. They want me to find out the P divided by Q. P divided by Q, this thing divided by this, okay? So P divided by Q, and that means that 8 divided by 2, and that will be 4. And when you divide this with this, their powers will be subtracted. So you will have 10 raised to power minus 6 minus 11. So it will be 4 into 10 raised to power minus 17. 4 into 10 raised to power minus 17 is my answer. 4 into 10 to the power minus 17 is the answer, sir. Okay, so we have then the C part. It says the cube root of the P. We have to take the cube root of the P. Cube root means that raised to power 1 by 3. So you have 8x power minus 6, whole thing raised to power 1 by 3. 8 is 2 raised to power 3, and this is into 10 raised to power minus 6, and the whole thing raised to power 1 by 3. So when you will give this power to 2 raised to power 3, you will have 2 raised to power 1. And when you will have 10 raised to power minus 6 raised to power 1 by 3, 3 and 6 will be cancelled. So you will have 10 raised to power minus 2. So my answer is 2x power minus 2. 2x power minus 2 is the right answer, sir. 2x power minus 2 is the right answer. Okay. This is the solution. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 10. He says, by writing each number correct to two significant figures, estimate the value of. Here we have 1212.3 divided by 299.35 and square root of the 24.73. Important thing is this word. So this will become 1000 divided by 300 and multiply square root of the 25. This can be written as 1200 also. So here we have, I hope you can see this. So we will have 1200 divided by 300 into square root of the 25. So this will become 1200 divided by 300, and this square root of the 25 will become 5. So you will have 1200 divided by 1500, and this zeros will be cancelled. So you will have 4 by 5. So my answer is 4 by 5. I don't know. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Where is that question, man? Yeah, here we have 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means 0.8. So this is the right answer, sir. This is the solution of that question. Hopefully you understand. Then we have question number 11. Here are the first 5 terms of a sequence: 3 by 4, 7 by 8, and 11 by 12, and 15 by 16. And this is how you are getting this. You are getting by adding 4. Again, you have added 4. Here again, you have added 4. This is about story of the numerator. And here, what is this? This is 2 square. And okay. No. Don't. I made a little mistake. I don't write it to, I'm unable to erase it. So this is actually what? This is 4 into 1. This is 4 into 2. This is 4 into 3. This is 4 into 4. This is 4 into 5. So write down the next 2 terms. So you add 16 in. Okay. So next two terms will be in 19 add 4, you will get 24. Then again in in 19 add 4, you get 23. In 23 add 4, you get 27. In the downstairs, it will be 4 into 6, 26, and 4 into 7, 28. So the next two terms are 23 by 24, 27 by 28. So 23 by 24, 27 by 28. So this is my answer. Okay, then we have, he says the kth term is 1199 divided by 1200. Find the k. Find the k. So this denominator 1200, that is table of 4. You know, this the denominator was table of 4. So divide it with the 4, so you will get 300. So 300 means that this is the 300th term. So the k value is 300th term, and that means 300th term. Our answer is right. Okay, find an expression in terms of n for the nth term. Okay, the nth term we can very easily find out, and let me show you the upstairs sequence. You know, that is a plus d bracket n minus 1. So the first term is 3, and then plus the common denominator, common difference is 4, and that bracket n minus 1 bracket close. So you will have 3 and plus and 4n and minus 4. So this will be 4n minus 1. And you know this is the numerator, and the denominator was table of 4. The table of 4 is its nth term will be 4n, or you can actually calculate it. It is 4, 8, and 12, and 16, and so on. So its first term is 4 plus the common difference is 4 bracket n minus 1 bracket close. It will be 4 plus 4n minus 4, and that will be 4n. So this is the denominator, this is the numerator. So the nth term of that sequence will be 4n minus 1 by 4n. So let's check 4n minus 1 by 4n. So this is how it is done. And this is the solution. Okay, now we are going to the next question. That is question number 12. It's a 2 marks question. He says each interior angle of a regular polygon is 175 degree. Find the number of the sides in the polygon. If the internal angle of the polygon is given, you know the formula for the internal angle is 180 bracket n minus 2 bracket close divided by n, and that is equals to 175. Cross multiply, you will have 180n minus 360 equals to 175n. So minus 360 is equals to 175n minus 180n. So minus 360 will be equals to minus 5n. Minus minus will be cancelled. So 360 divided by 5 is equals to n. So n is equal to 72. So there are 72 sides. So there are 72 sides. With the answer is right. 72 sides. This is the solution of question number 12. Okay, so here we go. We have the question number 13. The scale drawing shows 2 islands at A and B. The scale is 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. Write the scale 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer in the form of 1:n. This is called RF. So when you represent the RF of a scale, both the map and the actual, they should be in the centimeter. So it will be 2 centimeter ratio 100,000 centimeter, because that was equals to 1 kilometer. But when you write in the ratio, you make the unit same. So in 1 kilometer there are 100,000 centimeters. So here we go. So here we have. So 2 centimeters equals to 100,000. So 1 centimeter will be equals to 100,000 divided by 2, and that will be 50,000. So 1:50,000. 1:50,000. 1:50,000 is the right answer, sir. 1:50,000 is the right answer. This is the solution. This is how it will start. He says, by the measurement, underline this word, find the bearing of the B from A. Find the bearing of the B from A. B from A, it means that and the north is on A, and from that north, go clockwise to the AB line. That angle will be called, the bearing of the B from A. So because this is a reflex angle, you cannot measure it directly. So what you will do, you will be measuring this angle, measure this angle with the help of the compass. And whatever is this angle, suppose this angle is alpha. So this outer angle will be 360 and minus alpha. And this will be the bearing of the B from the A. Let me show you my, okay, so you have, by way of finding the bearing of the B from the A, it is, we have measured this angle. So here we have used a different technique that they have done 180 plus 106. The basic technique is they prolong, here we prolong this line, and then we measure this angle, and this angle here is 180, and then we add up this angle. So that is 286. So do you understand what I'm saying? Basic trick is, this is the basic trick. Let me show you. So this is the trick which I used there. Okay, so this angle up till here, this is 180. So you measure this angle. This angle is how much? There we have measured it. It is how much? It is 106. This angle, when I measured it, this is 106. So when you will add 180 and 106, you will get 286, and that will be the bearing of the B from the A. So you can, I told you two tricks, and by any one of them, you can find our answer is right. Okay, then we have, he says, an island at sea is on the northern side of the AB. It is 3 kilometers from A and 2.5 kilometers from B. Use a ruler and a pair of compasses to construct the triangle ABC. 3 kilometers from A and 2.5 kilometers. Okay, so 3 kilometers will be 6 centimeter and 2.5 will be 5 centimeter line. Okay, according to this scale. So because that the point C is on the north side of the AB line, so point C is here. So open your compass. How much? 6 centimeter. Put the needle of the compass here and draw the arc. And suppose you draw the arc like this, and then open your compass 5 centimeter. Put the needle of the compass here. Draw the arc like here, and this will be the point C. Then you can easily join here, and you can join here. This is the trick how this is done. Let me show you. We have done this here in the diagram. So can you see this? Let me. Okay. So you will open your compass 6 centimeter. Put the needle of the compass here at A. You draw this arc. This is 6 centimeter radius arc. Then you put the compass of the needle here, and you draw an arc here, which is 5 centimeter radius. And where these two arcs intersected, that is the point C. You join it with the B and the A. You can see the C is on the northern side of the AB. So hopefully you understand this, and this is the solution and the marking scheme of this. Okay. So here we go to the next question, and next question is question number 14. The diagram shows a triangular prism. The measurements are in centimeters. On the grid below, complete the accurate drawing of a net of the prism. Do not draw outside the grid. Okay. So here we have, so I have to reduce the size. Okay. Now here we have this triangular prism. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 faces. This face has been already drawn here. This is one triangular face. Here, make another triangular face here. And then you have to make that 3 by 4 face here. The face which has 4 length and 4 width, 3 width, sorry. And then you have to make that floor also. That is 5 by 4. Okay. So let me show you. I have made that grid here. So let me show you. Okay, hopefully you can see on the screen, I have drawn that grid, And this is I have drawn on that grid the net of that triangular prism, and I hope you understand that how this is made. Okay, then their question is that they are asking a question. They are asking to find the total surface area of the prism. And let me show you the total surface area of the prism. Find the area of this triangle, find the area of this triangle. They both are same. Find the area of this rectangle, find the area of this rectangle, find the area of this rectangle, then add them up. You see the 2 times area 1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. So A1, because that's the shape of a triangle, its area will be 1 by 2 into base into height. And so it will be 2 into 1 by 2 into 4 into 3 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 3 plus 4 into 5. And that will be 12 plus 16 plus 12 plus 20, and that will be 60. So our area will be 60. So our area will be 60, and I hope that you understand. Each week, question number 15, each week Henry records the number of units of the gas used in his house and the mean temperature outside. 10 of his results are shown in the table. So here we have the mean temperature and the number of the units. 12.2 degree, 140, 13.8, 100, 0.2, 740, 2.2, 570, 2.8660, 4.4, 600, 5.6, 500, 6.8, 560, 9.04, 10, 10.6, 320. So on the grid, complete the scatter diagram. The 5 results have been plotted for you. So a few points have already been plotted, which are here. So the rest of the points you will have to plot yourself. Okay. So we have plotted these points, and here we go. We have already plotted. So so you can see that we have plotted these points on the scatter diagram. So I plotted all those points, and you can also plot them very simple. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate. At 6.8, put a cross of 560. At 9.0, put a cross of 410, and at 10.6, put a cross of 320. Once you have plotted these points, then they will ask you a question. They say, what type of correlation does your scatter diagram shows? This scatter diagram, if you look at this pattern, as you move to the right in this diagram, the pattern is going downward. So it's a negative correlation. This is a negative correlation. So I will write here negative. It's a negative correlation. And here it's just negative correlation. Okay, so then they ask you draw a line of the best fit on the diagram. We will draw a line of best fit. You can see here I have tried to draw a line of best fit. The rule for this is that you draw a line of best fit in such a way that the number of the points which are left above that line and below that line, they are almost same. So that is how you draw the line of best fit in this scatter diagram. Once you have done that, then the question is, use your line of best fit to estimate the number of units used for 1 week when the mean temperature outside is 7.6. Okay, so the mean temperature is 7.6 here. You can see from 7.6, I will go up when I will touch the line of best fit. Then I will go to the y-axis and check what is the value here. Here it is something like 4 420. 420 is my answer. Reading their value from for x equals to 7.6. So our answer is right. Question number 16. Find the possible values of x given that x is an integer. And the first of all, I will solve this portion, then I will solve this portion, and then I will draw it on the grid, and then we will see that what is the solution. Okay, so here we have question number 16. So 5 less than 2x minus 3, 5 plus 5 plus 3 is less than 2x. So 18 less than 2x. So 18 divided by 2 less than x. So 9 is less than x. So in other words, you can say x is more than 9. Then I will solve this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion. So 2x minus 3 is less than 22. So 2x is less than 22 plus 3. 2x is less than 25. So x is less than 25 by 2. So x will be less than 12.5. Then I will represent both of them on the number line. So you can see here, here I have drawn a number line, and here. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 12.5, 13. So this says x is greater than 9. So I will draw this line. This says x is less than 12.5. So I will put a circle here and this. The overlapping portion is this one between these two solutions. And in this, 9 is not included, 10, 11, 12. So these are the three integers. These are the three integers, and this is how 10, 11, and 12. 10, 11, and 12 is the right answer, sir. The marking scheme is showing up on your screen. This is question number 16. Its solution. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 17. He says the bag A contains 3 black and 2 white beads. Bag B contains 2 black and 4 white beads. So there are 2 separate bags, bag A and bag B. So in the bag A, the total beads are 5. Black beads are 3. The white beads are 2. And in the bag 2, there are 2 blacks and 4 white beads. So total beads are 6. A bead is chosen at random from bag A and placed in the bag B. A bead is then chosen at random from the bag B. Okay. So complete the Venn diagram. So remember, so here the black beads are basically 2, and the white beads are basically 4. Here the black beads, they are basically 3, and the white beads, basically they are 2. The total here is 6. Okay. So when you will take out a black bead from the A and put it in the bag B, now what will happen? The black ones, they will become 3, and the total here will become 7. So it will become 3 by 7, and getting a white bead from the bag now will be 4 by 7. Okay, now here you will have, you can get a black bead, or you can get a white bead. Okay, so if you first of all you take a white bead from the bag A and put it in the bag B, now what will happen with the bag B? Now the total will become 7. White value will be still 4. Sorry, this is black. Okay. Sorry. I don't know how it will be. Okay, so you have taken a white bead from A and put it in the bag B. Now the black here, we are still 2. Okay, sorry. And the white has become 5. Okay. A little confusion got here. I got into the confusion here. So hopefully you understand. It is 4 by 7, 2 by 7, 5 by 7. me see, 2 by 7, 5 by 7, and 4 by 7. Why I said 4 by 7? Why she wrote it? It is 4 by 7. Okay. So then we have find the probability that a black bead is taken from the bag B. So how you can bag bead from the bag B? This and this. Find their probabilities and add them up. So the probability here will be 3 by 5 multiplied 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5 multiplied 2 by 7. Okay. So this will be 9 by 35 plus 4 by 35, and that will be 13 by 35. 13 by 35 is my answer. And let's check. 13 by 35 is the right answer, sir. Question number 18, he says, in the diagram A, B, C, D, and E lie on the circle. AB is parallel to ED. AB is parallel to ED. Okay. Then ABE is 62, CDE is 127, and BEC is 40. Their first question is find the value of the X. Okay. Find the value of the X. Okay. Okay. Can you see this BCDE? BCDE is a cyclic quadrilateral, and X plus 127 will be equals to 180. The angles in the opposite segment, they are supplementary. So you will have X plus 127. X plus 127 is equals to 180 angles in the opposite segment. So this is cyclic quadrilateral. So X will be equals to 180 minus 127, and that X will be equals to 53. So the X will be equals to how much? How much I said? 53. So this angle will be how much? 53. So this angle will be how much? 53. Now, the next part is find the value of the Y. Okay, so I want to find out the Y. You see the Y, BC came to the circumference at A, the angle is Y. The BC chord came to the circumference at the point E, the angle is 40. Both these angles will be equal to each other because they are the angles in the same segment. So the Y is basically how much? It is 40 angles in the same segment. So Y will be equals to 40 angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. So 53 and 40 is the right answer, sir. Okay, then we have the next question is find the Z. So they want me to find out the Z. Z is here. So this, let me change the color. Let's change the color to make it green. Okay. This whole and the angle and this angle, they are alternate to each other. Can you see these parallel lines? And this line is the transverse line. So this angle here and this angle here, they will be equal to each other. So Z plus 40 is equal to 62. The reason is that they are the alternate angles to each other. So we will have Z plus 40 equals to 62 because they are the alternate angles of the parallel lines. So the Z will be equals to 62 minus 40, and the Z will be 22. The Z will be 22. So my answer is right. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question together. So this is the question number so that was the question number 18. Now we are on question number 19. Here we have in the diagram, the PQ intersects the LM at O. Okay. So their first question is on the diagram, construct the locus of the points that are equidistant from the PQ and LM. So PQ and the LM, they are the two intersecting lines, and we want to draw the equidistant point from them. So we will draw the angle bisectors which are formed between. So I will draw the angle bisector of this angle, and then I will draw the angle bisector of this angle as well. So what I will do, I will take out my compass and I will put the compass here. I will draw one arc here. So then I put the compass here and I will draw an arc here. Then I put my compass here. I will draw this arc here. Then I will join where these two arcs intersect each other with the point O, and I will prolong it. So this angle has been bisected. Okay, then I will bisect this angle. I will draw the arc here. Then I will place my compass here. I will draw the arc here. Then I will place my compass here and I will draw this arc. Then I will join this point with the O and I will draw this line. This is the angle bisector. So these are the two angle bisectors which are dividing that the angles formed between the two intersecting lines, and they represent the equidistant points from the line PQ and the line LM. Okay, all four angle bisectors, we have done that. Okay, then their question is on the locus of points that are equidistant from O and Q. So here you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of the O and the Q. For that purpose, we are going to take this point and this point, and I will draw the perpendicular bisector of the OQ. So I will put my compass on O and open it more than half of the OQ. I will draw an arc here above the line, one arc below the line. Then I will put my compass on point Q and I will draw this arc and this arc where these two arcs intersected. I will join these points. So this is the perpendicular bisector of the OQ. So yeah, so our answers are right. So then I will go to the next question. The next question coming up on your screen is question number 20. He says P is the point -3, 4, Q is the point 5, 1, M is the midpoint of the PQ. Find the coordinates of the M. So the coordinates of the M, which is the midpoint, x2 plus x1 divided by 2, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. This is how you find the midpoints of the two given points, coordinates of the midpoint of two given points. So here we have x2 plus x1 divided by 2 and y2 plus y1 divided by 2, and that will be 5 plus -3 divided by 2, and it will be 1 plus 4 divided by 2. This will be 2 by 2, and which is 1, and this will become 5 by 2, which is 2.5. So the coordinates of the midpoint are 1, 2.5, 1, 2.5, 1, 2 whole 1 by 2, 2.5. So our answer is right. This is the solution. Question number 20, it's B part. They want me to find out the gradient of the PQ line. The coordinates of the P and the Q are given. If you want to find out the gradient of the PQ line, the formula is very simple. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So I will apply that formula, and M is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. It will be 1 minus 4 divided by 5 minus -3. So upstairs you will have -3, downstairs you will have 8. So the gradient of the PQ line is -3 by 8. The gradient is -3 by 8. So our answer is right. This is the solution. So question number 20 and its C part, he says R is the point -6, 0. O is the point 0, 0. Which of the points R or P is closer to O? Show your working. So I will find out the distance between R and the O and the P and the O. And I will try to find out the distance between OR, the distance OR, and the distance OP. So the OR distance, I know the coordinates, it will be, the distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and the square root on the whole thing. So it will be minus 6 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, and a square root on all of them. So it will be 36 plus 0 square root on this, and 30 under root 36, and that will be 6. So the OR distance is 6. Then I will find out the OP distance. I know the coordinates of the P, I know the coordinates of the O. So I will apply the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and square root on it. So you will have minus 3 minus 0 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. It will be minus 3 whole square plus 4 square. That will be 16, 9 plus 16. That will be 25 and square root on it, and that will be 5. So because the OP distance is smaller and the OR distance is larger, so P is closer to O. P is closer to O. P is closer to O. So our answer is right. Question number 21. Here we have a part, evaluate 9 raised to power 1 plus 9 raised to power 0. 9 raised to power 1 will be 9 plus 9 raised to power 0 will be 1. So 9 plus 1, and that will be 10. So this is how this is done. You can see the solution. Let me check the answer. So it is 10. So our answer is right. This is the solution. Okay, then next part, question number 21, B part, he says, find n where the 4 raised to power n is equals to 2 raised to power n minus 1. So in the place of 4, I can write 2 square. So you will have on this side 2 square n equals to 2 raised to power n minus 1. These are equal, their bases are same, so the powers can be compared. So 2n will be equals to n minus 1, 2n minus n equals to minus 1. So n will be equals to minus 1, so the value of the n is minus 1. The value of the n is minus 1. Our answer is right. This is the solution. Okay, then we have question number 22. He says a universal set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The P is x such that x is equals to 0, 1, and 2. And Q is y is equals to 0, 2. And he says list the members of the P intersection Q. P intersection Q. So what is the common between these two? The common between these two, I can tell you. So what is the common between these two? That is 0 and 2. 0 and 2. 0 and 2 is the right answer, sir. This is the solution. Okay, then they say find the number. Small n means how many members are there. So how many members are in the P complement union Q? P complement union Q. First of all, I will have to find out the P complement. P complement means those members which are in the universal set but are not in the P. Okay, that's the P complement. That will be 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now P complement union Q means you P complement and the Q members, they do join them together but do not repeat any members. So it will be 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Small n means how many members are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 members. 6 is the right answer, sir. Okay, then we have R, where the R is Z and Z is equals to 2x plus y, where the x belongs from the P and the y belongs from the Q. List the members of the R. So, okay. So the formula for the Z is 2x plus y, and the x value is coming. Let me reduce the size so you can see. The x value is coming from the P, and the y value is coming from the Q. So the P is how much? P is 0, 1, 2, and the Q is 0, 2. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, and then 2, 0, 2. Okay. So we have a formula here. So 2x plus y. So 2 into 0 plus 0, that will be 0. 2 into 0 plus 2. You see, I have taken x 0 and y is 0 and 2. Okay. So here you get 0, from here you get 2. Now take x as 1, y as 0, then x as 1, and the y as 2. As 2. So 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 plus 0, that is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus, and plus 2, that's 4. And then I will take the x value as 2 and the y value as 0 and then the y value as 2. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So the member, the Z are 0, 2, 4, and 6. Do not repeat any member. This is a little tricky question. This is coming from here. 0246, 0246, the answer is right. Okay. Now we are going to the next question. That is question number 23. He says express 2 by 1 minus 3 and 1, sorry, minus 1, 2 plus 2 into 0 minus 2 as a single vector. So it's a very simple, straightforward plus minus question, but this is the plus minus of the matrices. So you will have 2, 1 minus 3, minus 1, 2 plus 0 minus 4. So 2, 1, don't take this negative inside. So it is minus 3, 6 plus 0 minus 4. So 2 minus that will become plus 3. So that will become 5. 1 minus 6 will become minus 5 plus 0 and minus 4. 5 plus 0 will be 5, minus 5 plus minus 4. And this will be minus 5 minus 4, and that will be minus 9. So your answer will be 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9 is the right answer, sir. Okay, then we have this question, B part. This is question number 23. It's B part. It's a 2 marks question. He says multiply this. From here I will take rows, and from here I will take columns. The first row will multiply with the first column, then the first row will multiply with the second column, then the first row will multiply with the third column. So here we go. Okay, so you will have 2 zeros are 0, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, 2, 0, minus 3. So then it will multiply with the second column, 2 into minus 1, that will be minus 2, minus 1 into 1, that will be minus 1. So it will be minus 2, minus 1. Okay, then this row will multiply with the third column, 2 into 2, that will be 4, minus 1 into minus 3, that will be plus 3. So this will become 0 minus 3 is minus 3, minus 3, and this will become 7. This is how this question is done. You can see the solution on your screen. Minus 3, 7. Minus 3, 7 is the right answer, sir. Okay, so we are going to the next question. That next question is question number 24. A train travels between 2 stations, starting and finishing at rest. For this journey, it accelerates uniformly from rest for the first 30 seconds until it reaches a speed of 20 meter per second, travels at a constant speed of 20 meter per second for the next 60 seconds, slows down uniformly for the last 20 seconds until it stops. Okay, so very simple, straightforward question. In 30 seconds, it will achieve how much speed? 20. So I'm just drawing it with my hand, but you have to draw a straight line here. So it is something like this. It should be a straight line, okay? And then for the next 60 seconds, from 30 add 60, you get 90. So for the next 60 seconds, this moves with a constant speed, and it will be something like this. And then in the next 20 seconds, it comes to rest, okay? So this is how it's like this, okay? So this is how you draw this, which graph this is. It's a speed time graph, okay? So they ask us to draw the speed time graph, and this is how you will draw the speed time graph. So on your screen, the speed time graph is showing up. So you can see this speed time graph, and let's check this from the, okay, so our answers are right. You can check the coordinates here. Okay, then their question is calculate the distance between the stations. Okay, so we can calculate the distance between the station. You just have to divide this thing into three portion, this portion, and this portion. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I'm trying to make a straight line. This portion. Find the area of this triangle, find the area of this rectangle. Find the area of this triangle. Or you can take this big thing as a trapezium. You can find the area of the trapezium, and very easily you can tell the distance traveled. Area under the speed time graph is equals to the distance traveled. So here I have taken this as a trapezium. So 1/2 into the sum of the parallel sides into the height of the trapezium. So it will be 1/2 into 110 plus 60 and into 20. So it will be 1/2 into 170 into 20, and that will be 3400 divided by 2, and that will be 700 meters. So the I said 700. It's 1700 meter. So my answer is 1700 meter. And let me show you, if you take this as a big rectangle, this lower thing is 110, and this upper thing is 60, and the height of the rectangle is how much? I'm saying rectangle, it's trapezium. So these are the two parallel sides of the trapezium, and this is the height of the trapezium. That's why here we have 110 plus 60 and into 20. These two are the parallel sides. This is the height of the trapezium. So our answer is right, sir. Okay, so next we have question number 25. In the diagram, the ADB and the ACF are the straight lines. BC intersect DF at E. And he says the AC ratio, the CF is 2:1. The AC is 2, this is 2, and the CF is 1. So this whole thing is 3. Okay, the AF is 3. Then he says that DB is equals to the P. The DB is equals to the D to B is P, B to E is 3Q, and E to C is 2Q, and A to C is 3P plus 5Q. Their first question is find out, express AB. So if you want to find out AB, you go from A to C, from C to B. This is the bypass. And by drawing that bypass very easily, you can find out that. So I'm saying go from A to B. If you want to find out A to B. So go from A to B will be equals to A to C plus C to B. So it will be A to C is 3P plus 5Q, and C to B will be minus 2Q minus 3Q. So you will have 3P, and this whole thing will be cancelled. So you will have 3P. So the AB is basically 3P. So A to B is 3P. So this will be 2P. Okay, so this is P, so this whole thing is 3P. Yeah, our answer is right. Now they want me to find out, this is basically, it has came out to be 2P. The whole thing is 3P, okay? Now they are asking to find out, express the CF in terms of PQ. I know this portion, I want to find out the CF. Okay, so the method is very simple. CF divided by the AC. Okay, CF divided by the AC, that will be equals to 1/2. That is the ratio between them. 2:1. I want to find out the CF AC value. I already know in terms of P and Q. So I can find out CF by AC is equals to 1/2. The CF will be equals to 1/2 of the AC. And the value of the AC is, I already know, that is given, and that is 3P plus 5Q. So the AC value is 1/2 bracket 3P plus 5Q. 1/2 3P plus 5Q bracket close. So our answer is right. This answer is also right. So then we have the express EF. Express EF. So if you want to find out EF, from E go to C, from C go to F. Okay, very simple method. from EF will be equals to EC plus CF. EC is, you know, the EC is 2P. Sorry, I'm saying P. It's 2Q. It's 2Q plus 1 by 2 of the 3 bracket 3P plus 5Q bracket close. So 2Q plus 3 by 2P plus 5 by 2Q. So it will become 4 plus 9. It will be 4 plus 5. It will be 9. 9 by 2Q plus 3 by 2P. Take 3 by 2 common. So 3 by 2 bracket 3Q plus P. They have written this one. They have written this shape. Okay. So our answer is right. It's perfect. Okay. They have not taken 3 common, but I have taken because I will show you why I have taken common. Then the question is EF is equals to K times DE. Find the K. Okay. So they are saying that the DE, you know, the DE will be equals to, if you want to find out DE, D to E, where's the D? D to E. For example, if you want to find out DE, you will go from D to B, from B to E, go from D to B, from B to E. Okay. So that will be P plus 3Q. Okay. So EF is equals to, you know, EF we have already found here. Yeah, this is the EF. That is 3 by 2 of the 3Q plus P bracket close. Write this thing. But this thing, can you see this? Very interesting thing. Can you see this? This thing? Can you see this? This is equals to this. So in the place of this, I will write DE. So EF is equals to 3 by 2 DE. They say it is equal to this. So the K, this is what? This is K. So the K is 3 by 2. This is a little tricky question, not an easy. This is a little tricky. So the K value will be 3 by 2. The K value will be 3 by 2, which means 1.5. So our answer is right. This is how this is done. And this is the diagram which was used. So this was question number 25. So my dear students, today in this video, we have done the solution of the October-November 2018 DMaths 402412 paper. And this paper one was from the zone 2, and I have tried my best to write the solution of this paper in a way that you can understand the solutions and the procedures. And I've also tried to describe them in proper words. And if you find this video useful, interesting, and helpful to you, please share the link of this video with your friends, with your class fellows, junior students, senior students, with your teachers, because when you will do this, this will help me to promote my channel. So thank you very much for watching my video. Have a good day. God bless you all.